Welcome to Chapa International. I am Nilamata Jana speaking. This is the first passage from the Chapa International for the engineering service preliminary examinations for get aptitude for SPPO and for virtuality made for a cat going to contact at 28. We are not going to place more passages, only 3 to 4 passages we are going to upload. We are going to upload only 2 to 3 passages and we'll give the hints how to do it. Here is the passage we have collected from the economy survey conducted 2021 made by the Government of India and we refer from the PRS India. This contains some sample questions like asked in CAT, some quantitative questions also, and how it is answered. One thing is to remember, whatever you have to answer should be based on the data mentioned in these questions. You cannot go out of that. Accordingly, you have to make your conclusion. If you know also, you should not go because that is not mentioned in the question. You are not going to get any mark for that. Here the economy survey, that is a summarized versions because we want to put the Indian economy in front of the CAT student because 100% 1 to 2 question, 2 passages will come from the Indian economy. You should familiar with it, otherwise you cannot answer. If you know the economy term, you can easily answer. If you do not know, you cannot answer because here for any questions you attempt in the CAT, you should have thorough in vocabulary and thorough in grammar, and then you can easily understand because passage is very lengthy and question are very tough. Time also now this time 2 hours, so very difficult to answer all the questions. So answer it judiciously, thinking the time available and capacity. You have to learn, you have to read the passage. In the first question, what is the theme of the passage? Is Economy Survey 2021, sectoral growth of GDP and impact of COVID-19 on different sectors of Indian economy. You see, this passage first mentioned COVID-19. But anybody can tell Economy Survey 2021 is not correct. Sector growth of GDP not correct because whatever happens due to COVID-19. So the answer option is theme of the passage, impact of COVID-19 on different sectors of Indian economy. Now the options sector statement A, B, C, D, E. A, both statement conclusion true, conclusion correctly based on explanation. B, both statement conclusion true, conclusion not correctly based on explanation. Both statement conclusion true or conclusion is partial correct because we need more data. D, statement is true, conclusion is wrong. E, statement is wrong, conclusion true. Overall GDP growth declined by 7.7%. All sectors of economy declined. It is answer D because the agriculture has a positive growth in 2021. You see, the agriculture positive growth 20 and GDP also contributes some more. So this is A statement is correct. Conclusion wrong because agriculture has a positive growth. So option is D. Question number 3. Services sector estimated to contract by 8.8%. But conclude all components of services sector decline. No, software services sector positive growth due to work from home. They are more profit compared to other years. So all components of service sector not decline. So option D statement is correct. Conclusion is not correct. Then what is the expected growth of Indian economy in 21-22 compared to 18-19? This is if you take the base value of GDP, if GDP base value in 18-19, then you can answer it. Answer will coming 10.98% compared to 18-19 and average annual growth is divided by 3.65%. Then question number 5. India ranked 48 in Global Innovative Index in 2020. Concluding India gross domestic expenditure on research and development is lowest among the larger economy. India spends 0.7% GDP on CRD compared to expenditure over 2% GDP by China and America and 2.5% America. Government sector control 56% total contribution GRD compared to private sector, which is only 37% India. That's why it is. So these are the factors why India's innovative industry down. But statement is true. Conclusion 100% true. But I always say you have to conclude whatever data mentioned in the passage. So it is coming to C partial correct because we don't know. what is the government, what are the factors responsible global innovative index. Without knowing the factors responsible global innovative index, we cannot conclude as per the statement. So we should know what are the factors responsible global innovative index, so that it can conclude no, A is 2, B is 2, and B is the correct response. A not. A is 2, B is 2, but we need more data to answer it. It needs option C. Question number 6. Statement: the survey noted by India's credit rating does not reflect the country's fundamental in terms of GDP growth and inflation, government debt, and as a percent of GDP among others. Conclude: it object a biased rating against emerging economies like India, and China. India has no history of sovereign default. Foreign exchange reserve is sufficient. So why it is down? It is correct. Government concludes 100% correct. If anybody can blame and create this bias, but you cannot do like both statement is correct, conclusion correct, but conclusion partial correct based on explanation. More data required to conclude. So option is C. Why more data required to conclude? We don't know sovereign credit rating based on what are the factors. Without knowing the factors, we simply say no, it is A is correct, B is correct, both are correct. No, A is correct, B is correct. We need more data. What data? So, what are the factors responsible for sovereign credit rating? So accordingly, we should conclude. We cannot bypass the passage. Whatever mentioned passage, we have to conclude. So it is C. Then question number 7. A nationwide lockdown was imposed in India to contain the spread of coronavirus in March 20. Conclude: the survey noted that early use of intense lockdown delayed the time taken to reach the peak and reduced the magnitude of peak. This led to low mortality rate and also allowed by sharp V-shaped recovery in Indian. That's 100% correct. Option is A. With this, the program finished. If you like, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.